You don't even know it yet, but you're 36 hours away, or maybe even less, from transforming your trading for the rest of your life. No, it's not because of some shortcut, but it is because of these shifts that we're going to make. And I'm going to cover in this video that's going to change everything. All right. Profitability, number one, we're going to give you a few tips right now. Being profitable does not mean that you know everything. Okay. So boom, I don't know it all. You don't know it all. But guess what? We don't need to know it all to make money. All we need to do are manage ourselves while we're in the market. If you're new to the channel, my name is James Strong. I make videos about trading the futures market, investing in the stock market, and personal finances. We trade to grow our capital. We invest to build wealth. And none of that's possible without having good personal finances. We don't trade or invest. We trade and invest. Let's go ahead and jump right into it like a swimming pool, man. What you need to understand. It's the big one. I'm going to go ahead and pop the bubble because, again, you are closer than you think to making money. I promise you. Like when I was at the point before I became consistently profitable, it's like you get that feeling where like, man, I can feel it. Like you have some weeks you do good and you have some you just, like you might do good on your demo. You can't do good on your evaluation. You're like, what's going on? I know I understand the concepts. I understand the technicals. I understand the fundamentals. I know it's not a technical problem. Once you understand these things that we about to talk about right now, you can be like, yo, I got it. And all you need to do is implement these things. You can break them up. And I'm even go over at the very end, like break them up 12 hours, 12 hours, 12 hours, and you good. Understand, you do not have to live a trader lifestyle. I'm going to go ahead and pop some people bubbles. And this will be a relief for a lot of people. And some people, they have this facade that they think like, oh, you're a trader. You know, people always say, man, like, hey, this is refreshing coming from a trader. And I always say, bro, I'm not a trader. I'm a businessman, entrepreneur, investor, father, husband who knows how to trade. But my title is not trader. Like, what is a trader? Do I got to have a Lamborghini? Do I got to have a Rolex? Do I got to be in this mansion? They got 12 bedrooms and 17 bathrooms when I can't even take a shit in 17 bathrooms at one time. All I can do is use one restroom at a time. Am I supposed to have that because I know how to trade and I have a skill set that can really pay my bills and take care of myself and my family? Bro, that's goofy. Like, too many people are falling victim to this facade that's what it means to be a trader. That's not what the case, right? Trading is not about this preset lifestyle. It's literally about using it as a vehicle and a tool to do what you want. That's why I always say we don't trade or invest. We trade and invest. We trade to literally grow capital, increase our income, take the money, put it into the markets. Let's buy stocks. Let's buy things that appreciate over time so we can build long-term wealth and achieve financial independence. So, I mean, it's simple. As always, too, everything, I offer and what I have is in my description as well. Definitely make sure you're on my VIP list as well. I do have some good trainings coming out that I'm not going to put on YouTube. So it's only for, my people on my list, my VIP people. And I have some other good stuff coming for you guys as well. So make sure you check that out below. But man, trading is not this thing where it's like, I got to live a certain lifestyle. You can be regular. I know guys legit, like, now they are businessmen. They do make money, but like, I didn't know they even traded, like options and futures. Found out, man, guy I know he makes some bread. I didn't know he trade. He's like, yeah, let me check out my position real quick. So, dude, you can do what you want, man. If you like food, go be a foodie. Go buy food. You know what I'm saying? Like myself, I like to travel. So I like to travel. I like to, me and my wife, like we planning a trip right now. I'm planning a trip for my wife and then my daughter when she's born. We go to Thailand, go to Vietnam, go to Malaysia, go to some other countries, the Philippines, stuff like that. Like I like to travel. So like, I don't care to buy a car that's going to sit in a parking lot and somebody's going to ooh and ah over take pictures of it. And they don't, like, for what? You know what I'm saying? Like, why am I going to spend that much money on something? This is my personal opinion. I don't want to spend that much money on something that if I get mad if it's a scratch on it. Like, the whole reason I do what I do is for freedom. I don't mean just financial freedom. I mean mental freedom. You feel me? Like, you got to free your mind first. So if I put so much money into something, if I put $200,000 in a car and I care about dust getting on it, that's making me stressed out. That's literally the polar opposite of why I got into this. Why I've taken all the risk I've taken, why I continue to take it, and why I do what I do. No, I want freedom. I want peace. I want to enjoy the life that God gave me. You feel me? Like, I want to do what I want to do. I'm not trying to be stressed out because, oh, nah, bro. I want to be free. Live your life for you, man. But at the end of the day, again, if you like cars, you like whatever, do it, but do it for you. Don't do it because you think you got to post a picture to get some likes. I said it before, I'm going to say it again, man. I'm confident who I am as a man. So when you confident in yourself as a man or a woman, if you're watching this, you good. You don't need to impress anybody or try to live through other people, whatever. So understand, man, trading is not a cookie cutter thing. Be yourself. You can work a job. You can not work when you do whatever you want to do. Do what you want to do. Trading is here to give us options. The next thing, trading is boring. Trading is boring, right? You're supposed to be following your plan, not chasing adrenaline, and just sticking to your system. That's all trading is in the day. It's the same thing over and over and over. And I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. We want trading to be boring. It needs to be as boring as possible because we're not adrenaline junkies. If you want to be an adrenaline junkie, go in a Red Bull commercial, go get you a parachute, go get you a little bike or something, and go jump out of the plane into some water. You want to be adrenaline, go skydive, go do something like that, go rock climb, go climb Mount Everest. You want to make some money, get you a basic, simple, tried and true system and learn to make some money. That's all you got to do. That's it. So, boring. Stick to one strategy. Wait for the right setups. You win or you lose. You do it again. That's it. But by doing this, man, we take the guesswork out. We eliminate unnecessary emotions. And we make room to literally just capitalize on high probability setups. Because when we're not trying to be like this adrenaline junkie, I got to go get it. I'm not trying to just trade for the sake of trading. I actually want to make money. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, adapt to your personality. How many times, roughly do you want to trade? Like I have a playbook that's getting vast. You feel me? Because I had to realize something about myself, which is like, I like to trade, but not a lot. So you start finding your zone, you know what I mean? Like one time a week, that ain't really enough for me, but more than like an average of one a day is too much for me. So, find your sweet spot, man, start playing with it, but focus on those high probability setups by focusing on the tried and true stuff. You may not get a 10-to-1 risk to reward, but can you get a 2-to-1 consistently? Then get your 2-to-1, get your money and get out the market. That's all you got to do, man. Like, don't be chasing it, don't none of that, man. Trading is boring, but boring works, man. Boring money is that billionaire money, man. And the most millionaires are made in real estate, but the most billionaires are made in the financial sector. And that's what we're in right now. So congratulations, man. You're in a good industry. All right. But understand it's not going to be this exciting thing. Don't ever forget Warren Buffett, his net worth. He literally didn't get this rich until like his 60s. Like he didn't really get like 99%. I think it's like 97% net worth until like his 60s, dog. But he was doing the same thing for like 50 years, man. 50 years of doing the same thing. So, realize this game is boring, man, but it will give you everything you want. Just keep working. And a lot of times what you want is closer than you think. People think they want millions. I'm telling you, no, you want options. I promise you probably want options. That's really it. We all want options. We just want options not to go to a job if we don't want to. You know what I mean? Because like I've been an entrepreneur a long time. I've been an entrepreneur a lot of my life, right? A lot of my young 28 years, I've been an entrepreneur for most of my working adult life, off and on. You know what I mean? Like, bro, an extra 40 plus hours, give or take, like that's a lot of time. So sometimes people's like, you know what? Hey, man, like I'm going to work this job that I want to work or whatever. So, man, let your trading do what it does for you. Let it enhance your life. But understand that trading is boring, all right? Also understand you're going to lose. And that's okay. All right. Losing does not define you. It does not make you a bad trader. Profitable traders lose all the time. Contrary to what these cats online try to make it look like, I lose trades. Like I lose trades. You're going to lose trades. That's a part. If you're not okay losing, you need to go do something else. Matter of fact, you need to go sit in the corner, crawl into a little hole because I don't know nothing you're going to do in life where you ain't going to take no L's. But let them losses turn to lessons. Let them lessons turn to blessings. You feel me? Like, don't think that defines who you are. It's all about managing our losses. Don't let a trade that was supposed to be $150 turn to a $700 loss because you get emotional. I've done it. I've let a trade turn bad because I got emotional. It ain't fun. You know what I'm saying? But some of the biggest lessons, like one of the biggest lessons I remember is from that trade. I'm like, man, I remember how I felt in the moment. Like, I remember, like, dang, like, I was up all this money. And I'm really like, I let it come back because of what? Like, why? You know what I'm saying? Like, and then I kept on and kept getting in risky for what, bro? I'm like, that's goofy, man. So, you know, understand that, man. Use it as a learning block, like use it as a tool. But the goal is to maintain and then to not cause damage, right? We want to survive in order to thrive in this market. So we want to have, you know, basically a few good trades and very few mental bad trades. 1 to 2 good trades can offset a bad trade. Like, it's okay to lose, bro. It's not we're gonna get to that too in the next point, man. But just for example, I'm gonna finish this point out right here. If we're risking $50 a trade, simple math, y'all smart. $50 a trade, you know, shoot, 3-to-1 risk reward. You can lose 2 trades. You lose minus 50, you lose minus 100. You win the third one, you're back in profit $50. Do not give a crap about lose. This is not school, man. You don't have to pass every test. Like, I know school is not like that in their education system they teach. You don't have to make every trade. You don't have to have a 90% win rate. You don't. The biggest new, contrary to what they believe, man, and a lot of people think when they get into this, you don't need the biggest win rate. You need a good RR and a decent win rate. Like, it's all right. You know what I'm saying? 50% win rate and a 2-to-1 is proper as crap. Don't let people think y'all need some magic formula, because I'm telling you, most people making money, they don't have the best strategy. They have some of the best mindsets. It's not their strategy. So your RR, we can go straight to the next point, right? Your RR does not need to be huge, man. Avoid thinking it needs to be this big 10-to-1, 15-to-1, all this stuff, or that you need to have some kind of freaking risk reward that's, win rate that's like daggone 95, 97.3% accurate with this trading bot in EA. No, we don't need none of that, dog. Get you a 50%, 2-to-1, 60%, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Like, sure, it could be 45, like 45%, but you hitting 5-to-1s. Like, it really 30%, 5-to-1s. Whatever fits your personality, whatever fits your strategy and what you like that you can work and you can work through, do that. But just choose one that fits you, man. Make sure you can, you know, withstand all the price swings and all the fluctuation between it. You know, also just know if you have a strategy that is 35%, 40%, you can, in theory, lose 6-7 trades in a row. You know what I mean? Like, understand that. If you're not cool with that, you might want to adjust some things. So you might either your mindset or your actual strategy. So these are all things that are custom tailored, again, that are not, nobody can do them for you. These are custom tailored. People can help you. Like, I help some people with this stuff. Not many, because this is real one-on-one stuff. But like, that's that stuff you got to play with, man. But as far as just making money, dude, it's not hard, all right? And I'm going to end with this one, man. Commit the next 36 hours, bro. Commit the next 36 hours to just focus on applying what we talked about, reestablishing the things that you already know, and then execution, bro. Because a lot of times you don't need more information. You need the right application. There's not anything new that's under the sun. So spend the next 12 hours looking over the basics and solidifying what is your strategy you're going to stick with. Do you want the high win percentage strategy? Or do you want the high risk reward? Or do you want to find a medium ground? I hit my mic. Do you want to find a medium ground, like, you know, in the baby bear story, the 3 bears, right? Mama bear, papa bear, baby bear. Do you want to find that medium that's just right for you? Understand what you want, all right? Use the next 12 hours. It doesn't have to be consecutive. I'm not saying lose sleep. You know what I mean? Use common sense, man. Break it up, whatever. But it only takes a cumulative, collective, no more than 36 hours. You want to do it 2 hours a day, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours over the course of a few weeks. Do what you need to do. Use this next 12 hours to practice. Go through. You should already have your data. If you're looking to be a professional, this is your business, and you're treating trading as a business professional. This is why another reason I'm different in this industry. I'm not here to play games. I ain't here to bring kids up. Man, I ain't here to be charging $30 a month that's had six. Man, no, we grown men. We're looking to make money, and I'm a businessman. I'm gonna help y'all become business professionals, man. And we taking these profits and we invest them for the long term. We growing our wealth. We growing our net worth. We are having asset appreciation. All right. We going to make this money. Use that next 12 months. Review the data you have. If you don't, pause them 12 hours. Go get your butt in the field. You feel me? Get your data down. Test your stuff. Get it written down. Put it on spreadsheets. And then now come back to this. And then that's when the ticker starts. And start reviewing your trades. Look at your data. Look at your average win rate. Look at how often over these months or this entire year what was the longest losing streak you had. Look at, what assets perform the best with this strategy out of the 2 or 3 you may have tested. Or if you did one, how they perform throughout the different seasons. Look at all the different metrics and make a plan and make a decision. Decision. Decision means cut. So the root words from decide means to cut. Decide. Cut off all the options. And decide what your strategy is going to be. And with the final 12 hours, transition to a live trading account. Use your discipline and your risk management and work your plan. Get your psychology strong. Get your mindset strong. Work the system and make your money. I am giving y'all $1 million worth of game. And I ain't talking about the podcast. I'm being straight up, man. I'm not even trying to be funny. There is a reason that I have more videos talking about this than technicals. People always ask me, how did I get profitable so fast? How did you get profitable in 18 months? How because I tell you all the time, it's not about how long you've been trading. It's about doing the right thing. So I'm showing y'all and teaching y'all the right things in these videos. By all means, I could go make 1,000 videos on these technicals. These guys, let me give you some more game, man. We can go and get on out of here, man. Enjoy your day, right? These guys who make 37 supply and demand videos, 42 support resistance videos, 57 strategy videos are full of shit. You do not need that many daggone strategies, nor are they really that different. All you need, and this is the real thing you need a solid mindset. You understand how the stuff really works in the back end operations. It's like going to the gym. You don't need 37 workouts to build muscle. I do calisthenics, bro. I do the same 5 exercises. That's it. People like, how you get your chest big, James? Push-ups. Bro, I haven't bench pressed in 6 years. You feel me? Push-ups. And then I learned, that's the basics. And then I learned different variations of push-ups. And I do them incline, decline, reverse, all type of things. It's the same with trading, man. So don't let these guys confuse you. Tap in. As always, man, one, make sure you like the video. If you like the video, you enjoy the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like making money. If you don't like making money, of course, don't subscribe, man. It's that simple. All my resources, again, are down below, man. Make sure you join my VIP list. I'm telling you, my VIP list is my go-to group of people. That's who I'm reaching out to first. I have people who DM me, people who comment and stuff. Join my VIP investor list. It's down below in my description. All you gotta do is sign up for it, and then you basically are a priority to me. I hit you up first. You can talk to me. I ask people to even reply to email sometime, and I'll talk to them. You know what I'm saying? So, that's how I see you, and that's how I can hear you the best. Sign up for that. Got good things coming, man. Got an email going out today, actually, man, where I'm about to help a lot of people out and get some good feedback and stuff. So, yeah, man, keep tapping in. Keep doing your thing. And with that being said, until next time, baby, much love.